Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope you're having a great day. Today I have for you this fun flocked pumpkin centerpiece. It is so easy to make and inexpensive too, so I hope you like it. If you enjoy this tutorial, please leave me a comment, hit that thumbs up button, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. This is the flocked pumpkin I picked up for $9.98 at Walmart. You're going to need some ribbon with wire for a bow. You're going to need some fall floral picks, and the sunflowers came from Dollar General. The rest of the flowers came from Dollar Tree, and you're going to need some foam to fit over the top of your pumpkin. We just took a block of foam, cut it in half, then cut the center out, and then I'm just kind of gluing the foam to the stem. Now I'm taking some of my picks from Dollar Tree and just cutting them into shorter pieces. So I have two of the longer wispy pieces, some fun whimsical pieces for the top, and then I have some dainty flowers, and I have some big sunflowers, and then I have some that drape down that are kind of a purple berry. So I'm starting with the, I believe they're called silver dollar picks, one on the left, one on the right, then one flower in the center, then one on the left, and one on the right. Now you could add a little bit of hot glue to the end before you push it in the foam if you would like. Now I'm going to turn it to the back, one on the left, and one on the right. Usually I do a pattern when I'm doing centerpieces. Now this is going to be the front. Now I'm adding a sunflower, a big one, from Dollar General, one to the front, one to the back, one to this side, and then I'll add another one to the other side. I try to keep it as balanced as possible. I forgot to mention in the beginning that you could cover your foam with moss if you would like to before you start adding your picks. Now I've already tied my bow, so I'm just taking a pick that has wire on it, wrapping it around the center of my bow. That way I can take the pick and just push it into the foam. I like to add my bow kind of in the middle of the process. That way it doesn't get lost, but I can kind of see how flowers are looking around it. So I am placing this one on the front, but more on the right side of the centerpiece. And I did leave some tails to hang down. When you're choosing your flowers, you'll want to choose a variety of shapes, sizes, and different textures. And then I'm putting these fun pieces here in the top for height, and they're just also a lot of fun to look at, and then you can spread them out and shape them too. All of my flowers came from Dollar Tree except for the large sunflowers. So this is a very budget-friendly centerpiece that will be perfect on an entry table, a dining room table, on your mantle, just lots of places, your coffee table. So just remember, you don't have to spend a lot to make beautiful home decor. Next, I'm filling in with these wheat picks from Dollar Tree. I just love the different texture they add, and they just kind of reach out and give the arrangement movement. So you want it to have movement, so remember, fluff and shape your flowers, and just remember to choose a variety of colors and textures that work well together. I like to hold mine in my hand in the store when I'm walking around and just place them in my hand like a little flower bouquet and add some, take away whatever doesn't work. So just take your time and be patient. Then I always like to add something fun and unexpected, so I'm adding these little mushrooms picks. And then here's the last thing I'm adding. It is from Dollar Tree, and they just drape down and just are something unusual, and I just love the color too. It seems like every time that I try to edit a video, my little Chihuahua Parker, he decides to interrupt and he wants my attention. So does that ever happen to y'all when you're trying to do something and you need your dog or your kids to be quiet and they just won't quit, leave? They know you're busy, but they just want your attention. Anyways, Parker just laid down beside me, so hopefully he'll take a nap and he won't snore too loud. But my daughter thought it needed one more of the big sunflower, so I added it to the front on the left. So that makes a grouping of 3 sunflowers kind of in the front, then the bows on the front right. So I think she made a wise choice in having me to add that last flower. So here it is, guys. I just put it on my entry table for now because I'm just starting to decorate for fall. So have you got your fall decorations out yet? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial so much. Please share it with a friend.